How to make game audio sound better in Premiere Pro. Drag your video or audio file onto the timeline sequence, highlight the video or audio, go under to Effects, Bass, and drag that on your video or audio, Treble, and Hard Limiter, and drag it on. Under Effects, you can adjust the settings. For bass, we'll do 5 decibels, and 10 decibels for treble. Hard limiter, we click edit and drag the first option to the right so that you can increase the volume or the gain to make this louder. And this is the before.
That is so f***ing typical of you. So typical. You don't even ask about the trouble. You instantly think about yourself. You're right.
And this is the after.
That is so f***ing typical of you. So typical. You don't even ask about the trouble. You instantly think about yourself. You're right.
Thanks for watching. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel and drop this video a like if you found value.